Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎�. I miss everyone. I'm so glad to be back. If you love this what I eat in a day, I could do a what I eat in a week video if you like. Make sure you give me some suggestions. I make sure I base my videos on your suggestions, and I would love to hear what you want to see. So comment below and let me know if you love it. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. One of my favorite tips is to put all of your fruit together in a Ziploc bag and freeze it all together and use it as you drink your smoothies. I do not like to waste food, so I put it all together in a Ziploc bag and use it as I go every day. I like to add coconut water and carrot juice to my smoothies every morning. If I have it. If I have yogurt, I'll use that. If I have anything healthy in the refrigerator, I use that. So you just do your smoothies however you like to. I like to add ice because it makes it slushy, and I don't like a lot of seeds in my smoothies, so I try to drain it. So I mix it together and drink it. I try to drink one every morning if I can, if I have time. And after I drink my smoothies, me and my husband like to go for 2-mile walks every day. We walk Snowball every day, and after we go for a walk, I like to have a light snack, whether it be soup or salad or something very light. Before I go to dinner or before we have a date night, I like to kind of eat something before I go, and I try to drink a gallon of water every day. Now, I know that's hard to do, but I try. So I recommend the waters at Trader Joe's because they are alkaline and they are also pH balanced, and they have electrolytes in them. So here I'm showing you a turkey burger that my husband cooked that's so good, and I recommend that you can put all kinds of vegetables on there. You can get all your vegetables for the day, and I like to also have sweet potatoes or just regular potatoes with them. If I'm trying to cut down on my starches, I try not to eat too much white potatoes. So here's a picture of us on our date night. I like to show you a picture of our view. We like to eat off the water. We are eating salmon with some cornbread, and I love coleslaw. So hopefully this video helped you. Please give me a thumbs up if you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye everyone.